Do you ever wonder where water comes from on our planet? Well, some water may have come from comets. Isn't that spectacular? The rocky material that forms Earth contains some water. It may not mean that all the water you see on Earth is from a comet, but comets are mostly water ice. It's possible that comets made regular water deliveries to Earth. I know that it would take a lot of comets to fill the ocean, but comets could well have made a big contribution to the water on Earth that we have today. Isn't it awesome to know that Earth's water comes from a comet from space? Our planet is sure special. Okay, dinos, now on to our worksheets. Are you ready? I believe in you. Let's do this. First, let's grab our favorite color crayon. I chose orange. What color did you choose? Oh, that's a great color. Did I mention you dinos are getting great at writing your name? I just love saying that because you dinos are the best. Okay, now let's read the directions. Yellow J, what do you see? I see a purple jellyfish staring at me. Let's read it one more time, dinos. Yellow J, what do you see? I see a purple jellyfish staring at me. What color do we color the J? It says yellow J. Yellow, great job, dinos. Let's grab our yellow crayon and let's color the J. Great job, dinos. Check out that yellow J. Now, what do we color the jellyfish? Let's read. I see a purple jellyfish staring at me. What do we color the jellyfish? Purple. Great job. Grab your purple crayon. Let's color the purple jellyfish. Great job! Look at that purple jellyfish. Isn't it cute? Did you know that jellyfish use their tentacles to sting? Ouch! Now our favorite part. Let's color the background. What are you going to color your background, dinos? Oh, that's great! I'm going to draw bubbles because it's underwater. the bubbles, I'm going to color the background like another blue so it stands out. I love blue. Don't you love blue? Hey dinos, do you want to hear a joke? Okay, what is a jellyfish's favorite sandwich? It's peanut butter jelly! Whoa, great job, dinos! Look at that jellyfish underwater! I can't wait to see you dinos next week. Bye!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!